Hi guys, welcome back. I just wanted to leave a quick note on here showing you guys kind of what you need to do for today. Since I did not post very much last week, I hope that we all had the understanding that we just worked on our projects all week. And so that was kind of what was expected for you guys to work on your presentations and have those wrapped up. Today we did start two new IXLs. We started E5 and E6. Those will both be due on the Friday of this week. I did take out read theory, so we do not have to do read theory this week. We will also be listening to Paul Revere's Ride. This is a poem which is attached to your assignment for today. And we did some vocabulary notes. So those are also attached for you to fill out those notes. They are just guided, so it should be pretty easy. And then the second half of class today, we worked on finishing our multimedia madness presentations. This was your invention. So whichever you chose to work on for your project, that needs to be completed ASAP. We are presenting tomorrow. So if you find yourself being out for a little while, then make sure you are sharing your presentation with me on Google Slides. I am going to kind of read what we are doing today, just so that you guys can follow step by step and know exactly what you need to do. Today in class, we started a new narrative poem, The Midnight Ride of Paul Revere. We listened to the poem and began discussing various types of figurative language. So I just want you to listen to the poem for now. All right, we will talk more about the figurative language within it when you come back. I will attach a video for you to listen to this poem and a notes section that will go handy along with it. I do have those located at the very bottom of our assignment. Also, we just worked on finishing up our invention presentations. We conferenced on Friday about these presentations and how they were going, and we are going to be ready to present them tomorrow. Okay, so make sure that you are sharing your presentation with me at your earliest convenience. For your homework or your to-do list, you need to listen to The Midnight Ride of Paul Revere, take notes on figurative language, and finish your inventions presentation. Okay, I miss you guys. I hope that this all finds you well and that you are doing great, and I will see and hear from you soon.